Let's turn our sleep data into a dashboard. In our data set, we've got 6 animals, including a human, with their average hours of sleep. So the best visual to use would be a bar chart because they compare categories. So we'll drop in our hours of sleep into the x-axis and our animals into the y-axis. We can see that our horse is on the bottom and our koalas on the top with over 20 hours of sleep a day. Amazing. To make it easy for the end user to read, we're going to add a data card and we're going to pull in the hours of sleep. By default, it adds the sum. We're going to change that to calculate the minimum. And then we're going to do the same, pull in hours of sleep, but this time we're going to change it to the average. And I'm sure you guessed, we're pulling it in a third time, and this time it will be the max. We're going to call this our animal slumber, the dashboard. Now let's polish our visuals. First, we're going to change our call out value to 16. Then we're going to open our label and we're going to move the label to underneath and we're going to reduce that gap. Now we're going to head back to our visual, double click and shorten the names, min, AVG and max. And last of all, I'm going to make my card shape a rounded rectangle and change the color to blue so it matches our header. For our bar chart, we're going to get rid of the heading and we're going to add data labels to make it easy to read those bars. And to make it look nice, we're going to bring the data labels into the end. And then on our x-axis, we'll turn those values to white so you can't see them. And there we have it, data to a dashboard.